Google Pay can now be used with Wear OS devices, the new name for Android Wear as of yesterday in Canada, Spain and Australia, as detected by Android police. Previously, the payment service was only officially available on Wear OS devices in the US, EU and the United Kingdom. As pointed out by Android police, the application for use strictly within the US, EU and the United Kingdom has been somewhat lax, with people in other countries using the service without problems. However, those who installed the Oreo update on Huawei Watch 2 discovered that their ability to use Google Pay on the device was disabled outside of the US, EU and the United Kingdom. Now that Google has confirmed additional support in Canada, Spain and Australia, users in those countries can use their Wear OS smartwatches to make regular payments and purchase transit tickets on selected lines using the Opal ticketing system in Australia. Although there is no estimate of when Google Pay for devices with Wear OS will reach more countries, Google says it is working to deploy support for more countries soon. Meanwhile, until May 14, he is offering a credit of $10 up to 10 times for users who refer a friend in Australia and Canada. The referred friend also receives a $10 credit.